Felicia here. You will not believe what I was able to make with the WeCreat Lumos. Check it out. Using the 3-watt infrared part of the Lumos laser, I was able to create stunning full-color engravings on stainless steel, and yes, it was easier than it looks. You start by running a quick test grid to find the ideal focal distance. Then you build out your custom color palette by engraving another test grid using different power and speed settings. The more variations you test, the more beautiful tones you'll have to work with. Once your color map is ready, it's just a matter of assigning power and speed settings to each layer of your design. Then let the laser do its thing. The results are bold, vibrant, and uniquely yours. But the WeCreat Lumos isn't just for stainless steel. It handles wood, acrylic, leather, cardstock, and so much more with ease. Whether you're crafting for fun or building a creative business, this machine is packed with power and possibilities. Thinking about adding the Lumos to your creative space? Use our affiliate link in the description of this video to support our channel at no extra cost to you. Subscribe for more projects, tips, and crafting fun. And as always, thanks for watching and happy crafting.